Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm just here to share a card that I just put together today. It's for my husband's niece. Her birthday is in August. So I used a A2 size card, and I did it kind of landscape. Um, I added two pattern papers from my stash. I've been going through all my papers, and I found this is like a tulle type of pattern. I love that look, and some stripes. Then I was going through my stash, and I found this paper that I just used on my mother-in-law's birthday card, and I remembered that um, his niece loves yellow. I think black and white and yellow. I think I created something for her. I think it was a graduation card way back when, and yeah, I thought that's the colors that she liked. Now, granted, she's a lot older. She may not like these colors, but I just don't know her that well. So I think these are really cute. I added a flower. This is a prima flower. And I used some flatback pearls from my stash in this candy jar here. And I added this one. It's really pretty. In the back, I used some rickrack. I matted it. This is a Hobby Lobby sticker that I have a bunch of on the side here. So if I ever need one, I have it. I matted this. I popped it up with some Dollar Tree dimensional. There's a rickrack in the background here. And then when you open it up, I just added the little strips that I had trimmed off the paper, and just added a little decoration inside. Used a stamp that says inspired by life, one of a kind art created by me, and that's for August 26th, 2026. So that is my card for this week. I want to thank everybody for watching. Come back tomorrow for hashtag deck the year. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you. Bye.